This is the camping setup I use for the KLR. It's pretty similar to what I use on the KTM. Everything's just a little bit bigger. I got the two-person version of the same tent. I got this Tusk chair, Trekology table. There's my cook set. The cook set's a titanium pot with a bale. And normally I'd have some instant coffee and maybe a couple Mountain House foods. So this is everything I would have except for the food, water, riding gear, and just a really small personal bag of like toothbrush and deodorant and stuff. Then a small change of clothes. That's generally how I leave the bike at night. Just leave all the empty bags on it. Never had a problem. But I have room inside the tent if I need to put them in there. So the table is made by Trekology. The chair is Tusk from Rocky Mountain ATV. The tent is MSR Hubba Hubba NX2. And I didn't inflate it, but the sleeping pad is the Cedar Summit insulated Comfort Plus. And then the sleeping bag is a Big Agnes. I think it's called the Backcountry something. Backcountry bed or something like that. Anyways, it's really comfortable. It's a lot more comfortable than an average sleeping bag. It's definitely not for backpacking, but I don't have a problem hauling on the KLR. So that's how I sleep at night. The tent has quite a few uses on it, and it's starting to get some wear, but I expect it to last probably about 20 more, 30 more trips at least, maybe more. I've gotten probably over 100 setups on this, and all in all it's holding up really well. I used some cheaper tents before that would only last me about maybe 5-10 trips. That's about it. This MSR tent has lasted for a long time. So anyways, that's the setup.